There are numerous products available to choose drill, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did expansive exploration, read tons of reviews, and collected a list of the stylish best drill from estimable brands. After much exploration, I set up these products that are very helpful for people like you. However, be sure to know about the price and other information. Check my description. So without any further detention, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Amazon brand, Denali by Skill 20V Drill Driver Kit. About this item, cross-compatible with all Skill PWRCORE20 tools, batteries, and chargers. Cordless drill set for everyday DIY tasks like drilling holes, tightening screws, and more. Includes a 20V drill, 2 Denali by Skill 22, 0Ah lithium batteries, a 2.4A charger that fully charges a 2.0Ah battery in 60 minutes and a 4.0Ah battery in 100 minutes, bit and belt clip, quick bit changes with the 1/2 inches keyless chuck, 2-speed toggle, low for more torque or high for more speed, 0-420 and 0 to 1,600 revolutions per minute no load speed, 350 inches-pound max torque, clutch settings for manually setting the torque limit to control depth and prevent over-tightening of screws. LED light illuminates the work surface in dark spaces. This product is covered by the Power Tool 2-year battery and 5-year tool warranty. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Matrix Cordless Drill Driver Kit. About this item, quick and easy, Matrix Quick Connect system allows you to quickly and easily change out heads to complete your projects faster. Save money plus space. The Matrix system is more cost-effective and saves more space in your home than dedicated power tools. One system, one battery. PowerConnect battery system powers your DIY projects with the same 20V Max battery. Stop stripping and overdriving screws. 11 adjustable clutch settings deliver the right torque setting to stop stripping and overdriving screws. Speed control. Variable speed trigger helps you easily control your drilling or screw driving speed. Magnetic bit holder. For convenient bit storage in between your DIY projects. Variable speed trigger. Power unit features a variable speed trigger allowing for more speed control. 11 position clutch. Precision clutch to prevent stripping screws and provide the right torque for the right application. 1 compatible battery system. Powered by a BLACK+DECKER 20V Max POWERCONNECT lithium-ion battery so you can swap seamlessly between your 20V Max POWERCONNECT tools. Number 3. Bosch PS31 2A 12V Max 2-Speed Drill Driver Kit. About this item, premium performance to size ratio. The PS31 2A has professional grade power at an incredibly light weight of just over 2 pounds. The performance to weight ratio makes this tool a great solution for electricians, plumbers, or contractors who do a great deal of over-the-head drilling or driving. Versatile use. The high torque and the convenience of 2-speed settings allows the Bosch PS31 2A power drill to tackle applications in materials such as drywall, wood, and even metal. Precision. This electric drill driver combo has 2 speeds and 20+1 clutch settings, allowing users to make precise torque adjustments for accurate screw driving and drilling. Durability. The Bosch 12V battery drill set comes with 2 12V lithium-ion batteries to provide increased runtime. Visibility. The cordless drill driver boasts integrated LED lights for improved visibility, allowing you to work anywhere, anytime, even in dark corners and low-light areas. The PS31 2A 12V Max Drill Driver at a glance. Lightest weight in class at 2 pounds. Compact, 7 inches head length to fit into tight corners. LED light effectively illuminates dark work spaces. Fuel gauge on the side of the tool for easy battery management. Variable speed trigger for perfect speed regulation. 2 speeds and 20+1 torque settings for precise adjustment. 3/8 inches single sleeve chuck useful for 90% of all applications. Soft grip handle and electronic cell protection for longer life. Number 4. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit. About this item, DEWALT drill with brushless motor delivers up to 57% more runtime over brushed. XR Li-ion batteries with fuel gauge provide this power drill 33% more capacity over standard packs. DEWALT 20V Max drill is compact, lightweight design fits into tight areas. High-speed transmission with 2-speed settings delivers up to 30% faster application speeds. Ergonomic comfort grip handle provides ideal balance in tool control. Metal 1/2 inches ratcheting chuck for superior bit gripping strength. 3-mode LED provides lighting in dark or confined spaces up to 20 times brighter than previous model. LED spotlight mode features 20-minute shutoff function allowing for extended work time in dark or confined spaces. Number 5. DEWALT XTREME 12V Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit. About this item, DCD 701 12V Max Brushless 3/8-inch power drill driver has 32% more power and 20% shorter. DEWALT drill has brushless motor for efficient performance and runtime. 2-speed transmission and 15 clutch settings of this cordless drill with battery And charger is great for a variety of applications. Comes with 2.0 Ah batteries with state of charge indicator, 3/8 of an inches ratcheting chuck for a wide variety of bits, LED footlight for superior visibility. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. If you need more information or want to know the product price, please read my description. For any type of question, please leave a comment below. Stay informed about our cool products as they inspire you.